gygrestolen.
We could scale the side of that, no problem, critic.
No. I just met up with my Irish friends and we're going up gygrestolen today. I look a little puffy in my face because I just woke up. And Google says it's approximately 2-hour walk up and should be pretty steep.
Water time. What's a tiny one?
Oh, I didn't know there was a bigger one. Yeah, it lasted like 8 minutes.
A well-deserved break.
Are we there yet?
Ice cream!
After you, bet Andre.
Oh my! Will be a good memory later on.
Yeah.
Say hello.
Full count 3 in total between these two.
$490, I think.